Hey and welcome to designgibbookcover.com. I'm going to teach you today one of the best way to create software cover using Photoshop. You're going to get with this package 10 different software covers. To find out the software cover that you want to use, open the file that's called software cover folder. Above each one of the software covers, you can see the folder name that contains the software. There is one folder that you are not going to see here, and that folder called all the softwares. On that folder, you have one PSD file that contains all the 10 different software layouts. Using that PSD, you will be able to edit all of them in just few minutes. But we will get back to this PSD in the end of the video. We are going to start the work with software number 1. Open software 1 folder and open software cover flat PSD and then software 1. We need both of the PSDs to be open because we are going to use both of them. This is the software layout that you are going to get. As you can see, we have in here two smart objects, the left side and the right side. The smart object is a function inside of Photoshop that lets us edit the 3D layout inside the flat window, which makes it a lot easier to edit. To open the smart object, press twice on the icon that's on the left side of the layer. As you can see, Photoshop has opened us a new window, a flat window of the 3D layout. Any changes that you are going to make on this window will take effect on the 3D layout after you will save it. So you can just edit the 3D layout by making the changes on the flat window and save it by going to File and Save. Any changes that you are going to make on the flat window will take effect on the 3D layout when you will save it. You can make the changes to the left side as well by pressing twice on the smart object, make the changes that you want and save it. And the changes will take effect on the 3D layout as well. But because we have both the left side and the right side, and if you want to add a picture to the design, you will want the picture that's on the left side to be a perfect continuation of the picture that's on the right side. And that may be a little hard to do by editing each one of the sides separately. So for that reason, we are going to use the software cover flat PSD. We have in here both the left side and the right side. So we are just going to make all the changes on this PSD and copy the left side to the left side and the right side to the right side. You can tell what the layer does by the layer name that's on the right side of the layer. For example, this is the headline layer and this is the headline background. Any layer that has a T icon on the left side is a text layer. To edit the text, you need to press twice on the icon and put your new text. When you're done, press once on the V that's on the top window to remove that. You can do the same to all the other text layers. If you want to change the color of the text layer needs to be selected. Then select the type tool and on the top window select the color box and choose the new color that you want. Any layer that has a color box on the left side is a background, and to change the color, press twice on the color box and choose the new color that you want. You can do the same to all the other layers that have a color box on the left side. If you want to add a picture to the design, you need to open the picture inside of Photoshop. Select the part in the picture that you want using the rectangle marquee tool and copy it by going to Edit and Copy. Now go back to the flat PSD and paste it above the layer that say Put Image Here. You can do that by going to Edit and Paste. To move the picture inside of Photoshop, select the Move tool and drag the picture to the right place you want it to be. Now you can change anything else on the layers. If you want one of the layers to not show up, press once on the edit on the left side of the layer and the layer will disappear. This is the left headline. The website. Tagline background. Headline background. The author background and the author name. Now we are going to merge all the layers to one layer. After we will do that, you won't be able to make any changes to the layout. So it will probably be the best idea to save the PSD now. You can do that by going to File, Save As, give it a new name and click on Save. You can merge all the layers by going to Layer and Merge Visible. And as you can see now, all the layers become one layer. You can copy the left side by choosing the rectangle marquee tool. You can tell where the left side ends using the guideline. If you don't see the guideline, you can go to View, Show and put a V on Guides. Now select the left side, copy it by going to Edit, Copy, go to Software 1 PSD file, open the Smart Object on the Software left side layer by clicking twice on the icon that's on the left side. Then paste the left side above all the layers by going to Edit and Paste and save it by going to File and Save. Then you will see the changes on the 3D layout, and you need to do the same to the right side. Select it using the rectangle marquee tool and copy it by going to Edit and Copy. Then open the layer that's called Software Front. The Software Front is the right side on the 3D layout and paste it above all the layers. And this is how you edit the software cover. But we also have some softwares that use in more than two smart objects. For example, software number 10. Open it by clicking twice on software 10 PSD file. As you can see, we have in here 4 smart objects. The software top, the software front, the right side, the same as we had on the last cover, the software left side, the same as we had on the last cover, and the CD layout. To edit the software cover, you need to use the flat PSD that comes with software 10 folder. Open it by pressing on it twice. As you can see, it looks the same as on cover 1 flat PSD. The only difference is the software top. You can make the changes the same as you did on cover 1 flat PSD and copy and paste it on software 10. I am not going to make the changes again to the right and the left side. So I'm just going to change the top software and copy the left and the right side from software 1 PSD. You can change the top software by pressing twice on top headline, put your new text and approve that. Then merge all the layers by going to Layer and Merge Visible. Then copy using the rectangle marquee tool the top software. Copy it by going to Edit and Copy and paste it on software top smart object. I will do the same to the left and the right side. Now all we have left to do is to edit the CD layout. Press twice on the smart object on the layer that's called CD layout. Change the CD layout to the design that you want. And this is how you edit your own software cover. We saved the best to the end, so let's open now all the software PSD file. As you can see, you have in here all the 10 softwares layout. You have in here 10 folders. Each one of the folders contains one of the layout. Above them, you have 4 smart objects. You can edit them the same as we did on software 10. When you will edit each one of the smart objects, it will affect all the 10 software designs. So I'm just going to copy and paste what we did on software 10. As you can see, we just had to change few layers to change all the 10 different software covers. This is it. I hope you understood from this video how easy is that to create your own software designs. Thank you for joining me on this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.